Cinema, the most powerful medium of communication between the people, the state, and the nations. With the objective to instill the spirit for critical appreciation of cinema among students, the Institute of Mass Communication and Media Technology, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, organized a 7-day film appreciation course from 18th to 24th February 2012 with the help of Film and Television Institute of India and National Film Archives of India. An enthusiastic response from students with 186 registrations from all over North India gave a wonderful start to the course and showed our passion for cinema. Inaugural ceremony on 18th February witnessed the presence of eminent filmmakers from Firoz Abbas Khan, a noted film director, to Shri DJ Narayan, singer and lead composer of Indian rock band Aryans, and also Director of Film and Television Institute of India, Pune, to Shri Prashant Patharbe, Director NFAI, Pune. Director of Institute of Mass Communication and Media Technology, Professor Rajbir Singh, in his welcome address stressed upon the need to develop love for good cinema among students.
फिल्म एप्रिसिएशन कोर्स से इन ए वे हम हमारे बच्चों में खासकर मीडिया के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मास कम्युनिकेशन के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हालांकि हमने दूसरे डिसिप्लिन, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स के बच्चों के लिए भी इस कोर्स को ओपन किया है, जिसमें लैंग्वेजेस के, मैनेजमेंट के, फाइन आर्ट और म्यूजिक के जो बच्चे हैं वो भी हिस्सा ले रहे हैं. This course basically aims at film education, how to develop a sense of appreciation among students about the film. What are the criteria on the basis of which they can say or they can judge what is a good film, how to appreciate it, a sense of appreciation.
Presiding over the function, Vice Chancellor Kurukshetra University Kurukshetra, Lieutenant General Dr. DDS Sandhu called upon the filmmakers and the critics to properly assess the merits and demerits of both the old as well as the new wave cinema.
Eminent personalities involved with cinema and theatre and the film institution and a DJ rock star that we have amongst us. So I think it's a great combination of such knowledgeable people about the medium that we will all benefit to it. I think the department particularly needs to be congratulated on starting off something new, and I'm sure that this will snowball with every coming year into something of real repute, first nationally and then hopefully internationally.
The first technical session of the course began with the screening of internationally acclaimed film by Shri Firoz Abbas Khan, Gandhi My Father. The film was followed by an interactive session with the director Firoz Abbas Khan. Participants of the course shared their views and opinions about the movie with the director. Director, National Film Archives of India, delivered a lecture on the process of digitalization and restoration of films.
If you have everything only on DVD, then when everything has shifted from DVD to Blu-ray, your DVDs may not be able to run on those Blu-ray players. Of course, these days you have Blu-ray players available on which DVD can also be played. So that is a transitional phase. But soon, if it shifts to the next phase, then DVDs will be difficult to play. So migration is another issue whose cost has to be factored into your digitization or restoration program.
Second day of the course began with a presentation by Dr. Shalini Gupta, a renowned film scholar, filmmaker and critic. Speaking on a very important issue, cinema for social cause, Dr. Gupta stressed upon the need for considering the cause of physically and mentally disabled children in the cinema while making films.
Any of you go out there and finally make films or watch films, so appreciate films or make films, do try and include the cause of these children and young adults in your movies. It's important because you create awareness through various forms of media. So if you want to join a PR agency, as someone was saying, public relations is of interest, or filmmaking is of interest, or even management is of interest, try and get into a situation where you can facilitate the existence of these people.
Delivering on the challenges in filmmaking, Mr. DJ Narayan called upon the media students to do introspection, as their role is more important in changing the vision of society, as they are the social doctors.
जो कि इसमें तो एक तरीके से अनएंडिंग डिस्कशन हो सकता है, चैलेंजेस इन फिल्म मेकिंग। 4 मोटे मोटे मुद्दे हैं। सबसे पहले तो कंटेंट का है। कंटेंट में भी डायरेक्शन का है, स्क्रिप्टिंग का है, एंड इंडियन स्टाइल ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग एज वेल एज नॉन इंडियन स्टाइल ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग, इसका है। हम थोड़े कंफ्यूज रहते हैं एट टाइम्स। दूसरा है टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड। तीसरा है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड। तीसरा चौथा एसेंशियली कंबाइंड है। ये 3-4 मुद्दे हमारे चैलेंजेस में आते हैं। एक मुद्दा और जुड़ जाता है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं फिल्म एजुकेशन से कनेक्टेड।
Cinema from the viewer's point of view was the theme for third day of the course. Inspector General CID Haryana, Shri R.S. Deswal dwelt upon various phases of cinema, starting from the earlier days up to the present day, where techniques and technology has undergone a sea change. IG Deswal showed some very interesting clips of how actors like Dilip Kumar, Devanand, Ashok Kumar lent charm to their dialogue, acting and style, which won over the hearts of all.
आप अपने स्टार खुद पैदा करिए फिल्म एप्रिसिएशन के। आई लाइक दिस मूवी है, इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल मूवी, इट्स सच अ नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन, और उसमें जो है ना आपको किसी तरह की कोई टेंशन नहीं है। शुरू से आखिर तक आप इतना एंजॉय करते हैं, सॉन्ग्स को एंजॉय करते हैं और एक नई सिचुएशन को एंजॉय करते हैं। You don't load yourself with anybody that is a gross, or that is some kind of a grossness in your mind. So I liked it. But yes, if some akhbarwalas, if some reviewers would call it, no, it's bad, हम उससे चल पड़ते हैं. But yes, the reviewers should take into consideration the entire gamut of appreciation.
Making this course a real learning experience, people from films and academics shared their knowledge and experience. Technical aspects of script writing and cinematography were discussed by Professor B. Diwakar from Jamia Millia Islamia University, New Delhi. He described script writing an amalgamation of what one sees, feels, and experiences in life. As a part of film appreciation course, a panel discussion on media in cinema and cinema in media was organized on the 4th day of the course. Renowned script writers Mr. Atul Tiwari, film critics Mr. Saurabh Dwivedi, Mr. Gajendra Singh Bhati, Professor Rajbir Singh, Dr. Devraj Singh, Mr. Ajit Rai, and Professor B. Diwakar discussed the relationship between media and cinema. Mr. Tiwari observed that media has not critically evaluated the performance of the Indian cinema as it has been doing in case of political happenings.
7 जुलाई 1896 के दिन, जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही कहा कि इसी दिन ये सिनेमा का और मीडिया का रिश्ता कायम हुआ था। इस दिन भारत में पहली बार फिल्म तो दिखाई ही जा रही थी, बल्कि इस फिल्म के देखने के 2-3 दिन पहले जो चीज लोगों ने मीडिया में देखी, वो देख के वो चौंक गए, क्योंकि बंबई के एक अखबार में एक इश्तिहार छापा था, और जो इश्तिहार दिया था मद्रास फोटोग्राफिक स्टोर्स की तरफ से, और उसमें लिखा गया था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विटनेस एनिमेटेड फोटोग्राफ्स.
While making serious comments on the coverage of cinema by contemporary media, Mr. Dwivedi raised some pertinent issues.
जो स्पाइडरमैन में वो एक डायलॉग है ना कि बड़ी ताकत के साथ बड़ी जिम्मेदारी आती है। जब मैं ऐसे 550 शब्द लिख रहा हूँ जो पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल और चंडीगढ़ में छपेंगे, तो मेरा ये फर्ज बनता है कि मैं अपनी आत्मा को गिरवी ना रखूं, सिर्फ इसलिए कि मैं एमी जैक्सन के साथ मिला, मेरी एक फ़ोटो फेसबुक पे अपलोड है उसके साथ, या सिर्फ इसलिए कि मेरे पास किसी का निर्देश आया। हम इसलिए लिखते हैं क्योंकि हम पत्रकार हैं, हम दलाल नहीं हैं। तो हमें, और हम ना बड़े मिडिल क्लास के लोग हैं, इसलिए हम अभी भी हीरो को देख के खुश हो जाते हैं, विलेन को देख के खुश नहीं होते हैं। हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब अग्निपथ में आखिरी में वो उठ जाता है, हमें और भी अच्छा लगता है जब उसकी लड़ाई में गांव वाले शामिल हो जाते हैं। हम आज भी अंदर से अच्छे लोग हैं और हमारे अंदर की अच्छाई सिनेमा की वजह से बची हुई है।
Fifth day of the course showcased the birth and growth of world cinema with a marvelous presentation by Mr. Manoj Srivastava, who is an actor, director and chief executive officer of Entertainment Society of Goa. He took the participants to a roller coaster ride from cinema in 1896 to 2011 with screening of the world's first film, Arrival of a Train to Light of Asia to Pather Panchali and many more.
मास्टर बिटर जैसे लोग जो थे वो they became actors because they were good wrestlers and looked good on screen. By the time the talkies came, silent cinema अपने आप में पूरी इंडस्ट्री बन चुका था जो 2.5-3 घंटे की फिल्म दिखाता था। तो before we move on to something, before we move on to Arrival of Sound, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि साउंड आने से पहले या जब साउंड आने वाली थी तब सिनेमा में क्या-क्या तकलीफें हुई लोगों को।
Srivastava expressed that only realistic cinema can change the society as it stirs the imagination of the viewers and provide a positive message. Exposing the participants to the history of world cinema, Mr. Ajit Rai, eminent film scholar and director of the Film Appreciation course, showcased some of the masterpieces of cinema in foreign languages. Elaborating on the scripts, plots, direction, special effects, Mr. Rai presented clippings from films like The Birth of a Nation, Rebecca, Seven Samurai, Ivan's Childhood, Godfather, Children of Heaven, and The Pianist.
सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर ने यूरोप को तबाह कर दिया था और उसका इम्पैक्ट इतना ज़्यादा है सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर का कि आज भी जो बड़ी और महान फिल्में बन रही हैं दुनिया में वो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर की बैकड्रॉप में बन रही हैं। न्यू रियलिज्म इटली का था जिसमें डेसिका की फिल्म आपने देखी थी, बाइसिकल थीव्स, उसको भी हम आगे चलते हैं उससे। और अब आते हैं 50s में। 54-55 का दौर एक बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर एशियन सिनेमा को वर्ल्ड में एक्सेप्ट किया गया था और एशियन सिनेमा ने पूरी दुनिया में अपना महत्व स्थापित किया था।
On 24th of February, the romantic journey of Film Appreciation course came to an end and Mr. Surendra Deswal, Registrar of Kurukshetra University, marked his presence and appreciated the efforts of the department. He said that the work has been done in a very innovative way. The course is very relevant for the state of Haryana. This will boost the spirit of students.
I should really appreciate that the work has been done in a very remarkable, in a very innovative, in a very new, and things have been conveyed in a very right direction.
There was a feedback session where students and participants shared their overall experience of the course. Professor Rajbir Singh and Shri Ajit Rai interacted with students and discussed the suggestions and recommendations of resource persons and other participants. Chief guest of the occasion, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kurukshetra University, Dr. Sandhu, congratulated the department and applauded the director of the MC and MD, Professor Rajbir Singh, and director of the course, Shri Ajit Rai. He also encouraged the organizers and participants to come up with suggestions and recommendations to improve further the efforts in the direction. He dwelt upon the dire need to watch and interpret world-class cinema.
So I would like this to be actually a takeoff point for much, much better things, and I'm sure with the kind of enthusiasm that is being displayed by everybody, it will happen. So once again, I congratulate everybody who was involved in this for the great success you've done in this, and I wish to see this getting very firmly grounded in the system so that we can expect this to become an annual event.
Delivering vote of thanks, Radhe Krishan, faculty member of IMC and MT, thanked all the resource persons and especially Vice Chancellor Dr. Sandhu and Director Professor Rajbir Singh for their constant guidance and support and encouragement which made the event a huge success.
Although we don't have a tradition to thank those who make us hungry, but on behalf of all the participants, organizers, staff and all those who were involved, I would like to thank all resource persons, including Shri DJ Narayan, Shri Prashant Patharpe, Shri Atul Tiwari, Shri Manoj Srivastava, Professor B. Divakar, and other film scholars and eminent personalities from media, film and entertainment and academics who created this hunger in us. Hunger to watch cinema, hunger to excavate the world treasures using the binoculars of cinema and to live large.
Evening session on all 6 days were dedicated to screening of classics from world cinema. We started with Gandhi My Father and tried to cover all genres. City Light by Charlie Chaplin, Suraj Ka Satwaं Ghoda by Shyam Benegal, Par by Gautam Ghosh, Bicycle Thieves, Breathless, Schindler's List, a short film about love, Dr. Zhivago, Goodbye Lenin, Hero were the flowers in our bouquet for this film appreciation course. Interactions with experts gave participants a chance to get answers to all their queries and get a new perspective for appreciating and analyzing films. We have tried to develop love and passion for cinema among students with the help of this film appreciation course. Heartwarming response from students left us with pleasant feel and encouraged us to strive harder and to keep on organizing such event in future.